Colleagues, today we are joined by President Vjosa Osmani Sadri of Kosovo. President Osmani, thank you for accepting our invitation to address the European Parliament. Dear President, we know full well of Kosovo's commitment to a European path, and I know your commitment to ensure the necessary conditions to advance down this path, that it's continued to be implemented in earnest. Let me say also at the outset that we are grateful for your support in providing shelter to Ukrainians fleeing Russia's illegal invasion, and your support in aligning with us on sanctions, because we must keep standing with Ukraine. This House stood with you when it seemed impossible, and I think we can all recognize just how far Kosovo has come. The journey towards visa-free travel has been an arduous one, but together we can be proud now that by January 1st next year, Kosovo citizens will be granted this freedom too. Democracy Democracy, freedom of expression, and the rule of law are all fundamental values that this House of Parliament stands by vociferously. We are well aware of the challenges and consequences that recent events in your country can have on the stability in the region, and the continuous need for the European Union to keep underlining the benefits of de-escalation and cooperation over confrontation. Kosovo's journey continues, and this House welcomes your country's endeavour to tackle challenges head-on by the need for resolute and immediate steps to calm tensions, to cooperate with international partners, with our member states, and investing in cross-border projects and partnerships. This Parliament wants to hear from the people of Kosovo on how best to create economic prosperity, opportunity, long-term stability, and progress in your region. Let us continue our constructive dialogue to ensure tangible results for us all. So, Madam President, dear Vjosa, you have the floor.
Thank you.